Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix365 and hope you guys have a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you why screen video recording in Camtasia Studio gets blurry and how to fix it. So let's dive in. So let me just open the Camtasia and record a video using Camtasia Video Recorder. Well, it is a built-in feature in Camtasia Studio. Here we can see after the screen video recording is loaded to Camtasia Media bin, then there is a little yellow dot in the down left corner of the video. If you double click to open the video under the preview section, then it's working perfectly fine. Nothing is blurry at all. However, if you drag it into the editing space, then the recording becomes blurry. Well, as for the previous version of Camtasia, this blurry screen video recording might not be affected. The version that I'm currently using is Camtasia 2023. So what is that yellow dot and how to remove it? The answer is proxy video. Proxy video here is a lower resolution of the video that is used in Camtasia Studio, and the reason why it's been chosen as a default is just to help in speeding up your editing process with Camtasia. Therefore, by using the proxy video, which is lower resolution of a video, then I can make my editing process quite faster. So it's not bad at all. You can enable proxy video feature on any of the videos just by right-clicking on a video in the media bin and select Create Proxy. If you want to remove the proxy video version, just right-click on a video and select Proxy Video and Delete Proxy Video. So now we just know how to use the proxy video feature in Camtasia Studio. Proxy video is used to speed up the editing process. It doesn't affect your video quality or it doesn't get blurry once you've rendered the video. However, if the blurry screen video recording is a hassle for you while editing in Camtasia, then the fix would be go to Media Bin, right-click on the blurry video and choose to delete the proxy video. And that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix365 for more fixing tutorials later on. Bye for now.